Hi everyone, it's Jerry, and I was just sent this 16-way laser level. This thing is super cool. It comes in a really nice case. It's nice that it keeps everything convenient and put together. This would make a great gift for someone for Father's Day, for example. I want to kind of show you what's inside here, and then I'm going to kind of demonstrate what it can and can't do. So come on in here. It's got two really nice latches on the front of this thing that unlock this. Everything is kept conveniently inside this kit, which is great, packaged extremely well. It does come with the instruction guide, and everything is all positioned well inside of all this nice foam that they have here. What you're going to get in this kit is your actual tripod, which you can adjust anywhere from about 16 up to about 35 inches. That adjust with that. You're going to get a set of green glasses that can kind of see this green laser level. You get this bracket mounting adapter that will adapt this top of this part here to be able to tie in with various items that you have, including this actual laser level unit. You're going to get this piece here that will allow you to attach the laser level onto a wall mount plate. So it comes with this plate that you can screw in or hang into a certain area, and it's magnetic, that allows you to then stick this up on a wall so that you can use that if you're not wanting to use the tripod. So that's another convenient way to mount it. It does come with a spare battery, which is nice. So you've got more than one battery. It comes with one attached to the unit and a backup battery for that. You're going to charge these using the provided 12-volt adapter that comes with there to plug into a standard 110 outlet in your wall. And you're also going to come with this little raising and lowering platform that you can twist if you're going to be putting on there just to make minor adjustments with this little platform here, as well as a targeting guide if you're needing to make any adjustments with the actual laser. I don't know that that's going to be that necessary because this is a self-leveling unit. This is the actual unit here. I'm going to set the rest of this to the side. And just to kind of put this on here to kind of show you. So we're going to screw this on to this base plate here, just so that I can turn it on and kind of show you how this is going to work. So this is a self-leveling laser level. So when I turn this on, there's a switch on the side here. We're going to turn this on, and it actually has, once you turn it on, some adjustments here. You can switch it into manual mode, or it's on auto mode now. And on auto mode, it will automatically level if it gets outside of 3 degrees. It's going to set off an alarm. But if it's within 3 degrees, it will level itself. Or you can switch it to manual mode. That will allow you to switch it to any angle that you need to. So if you're doing like a staircase or something that needs to be on an angle, once you get the tripod adjusted, it will stay at that angle. Okay, so in looking at this corner of the room over here, we've got our adjustments. Right now I have the 360 horizontal line that goes around the entire room. So if I want to add a vertical line, I can click the vertical line, and that will add a vertical line as well. So now I've got that. So you can kind of see the corner of the room there, or adjust the height of it. So we can add additional horizontal lines so that it gets you additional cross sections there with that. So now that we know that it's lined up with the corner of the room, you can then adjust it over if you're needing to like mount pictures and have them a certain distance apart. And the fact that this thing is complete 360, if I'm spinning this around the room, it actually will spin completely around the room, giving you that full 360. So if you add a pulse mode, which you can see on there, I've just got it on the vertical line now for the pulse mode. It actually will, you'll actually be able to see this 165 feet away. So if you're going clear in a far room and it's a brighter light condition, this pulse mode makes it brighter and it pulses it, making it to where you can easily see that from around there. And again, still the full 360 around it, even on the ceiling. If you look up there, see it's even a full 360 on the ceiling for that vertical. So switching out the battery, just simply sliding this off, sliding the new one back in. You also have the way you can mount this from the ceiling, like I said, from this top screw hole here. If you had a mounting plate mounted to the ceiling, it will actually mount to an underneath side of a surface or underneath the side of a table or something. But this little tripod here is completely adjustable. You've got lots of different adjustments to move out the legs with that, lock that back into place. You've also got the ability to take this and make minor adjustments by pulling this out, and just making minor adjustments by twisting this around, which will then raise this up or down a little bit and lock it into place, which is super cool. Again, just giving you full customization of this tool. Probably one of the nicer laser levels I've seen. So we're kind of going to look at this on my shirt here because I've got this on here. Another neat feature that this comes with is a handheld remote, which I think is super cool. So you can actually just, if you're using this from a distance, you can actually make it brighter, dimmer, do the pulse mode with that. Again, super cool feature that a lot of other ones don't have. I really like that. And the other nice part with this whole thing is that you can actually put this back in here It's got ways that you can actually carry this with your toolbox, which is a nice feature to have.